Today we're out here at Celebrity Cars and Coffee, where we're going to be asking people their favorite features on their cars.
We're also going to ask them what they rate their car on a scale of 1 to 10 and see if other people agree.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
My name's Sam.
My name's Erie.
And you're watching God and X.
So I'm here with Giovanni, and can you just tell us a couple cool things about your car?
Yeah, this is a 2000 Dodge Viper, and I've had it for 6 years. It's actually my daily driver. It was actually on my wall as a kid.
Oh.
You know, so it's my little dream car.
What's your favorite feature of it?
How it looks, definitely. Yeah.
And what would you rate your car?
Probably an 8 out of 10.
An 8 out of 10?
Yeah,
Okay.
just because of the engine.
And do you think other people would agree with that?
They'd probably say a 10 out of 10, but I personally don't like the engine. I'm actually going to swap the engine out.
Okay.
But that's it, yeah.
Okay.
I'm here with Jim. We're going to be talking about a little bit about his car. And if you want to go ahead and tell me what kind of car this is.
It's a 22 C8 Corvette. It's a 2LT. That's basically, it doesn't have a lot of options. It's pretty much factory. I just did some changes after.
Yeah, what's your favorite change that you've done to it?
Probably the rims and the intake.
Rims and intake? Awesome. And then I just wanted to see what you think about this guy's car. He gave it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, it's a Viper. I love it.
What do you rate it out of 10?
I'll give it an 8 to 10.
8 out of 10?
It's a
Awesome.
nice car.
And then what do you rate your car? 1 through 10?
Maybe a 7.
A 7? Do you think others would agree?
I'm not sure what others think. That's just my personal feeling.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I'm here with Phillip, and he's just going to tell us a little bit about his car.
Yeah, it's a 69 Corvette. I built it from the ground up. Everything is OEM on it. It's all original.
What's your favorite feature about your car?
That it's I've got a 5-speed Tremec I put in it.
Okay.
I love driving standards, and it's really fun to drive.
Nice. And what would you rate your car on a scale of 1 to 10?
Well, for me, since I built it, I'd rate it a 10.
Okay,
but
perfect.
you know,
And do you think other people would agree with you?
I would think so if they look at the car and see what has been done to it and where it's at a standpoint it's in. I would think so. Pretty close to it.
And then what would you rate this car?
I would say an 8. It's a nice car. I love Corvettes.
Well, thank you so much.
I'm with Morgan, and he's going to be talking a little bit about his car today.
Yeah, hey Sam. So this is a 1973 Volkswagen Type 3 Squareback. There was 3 body shapes in this series. The Squareback, we've got a fastback here next to me, and there was a little notchback, a little sedan. This car's super special. This was my mother's. She bought this new in 73. It was sold out of Australia. It's the car I learned to drive in. It's the car I grew up in, so it's super special. It's been fully restored. This is 100% all original, stock original. I restored it back to basically factory or showroom condition. Has no modifications on it, no modern technology, anything. It's just running exactly as it left the factory. It's a super sentimental, very special car to me. I learned to drive in it and grew up in it. So,
What is your favorite feature on this car?
So I think, because it was my mom's and because she picked it new, I think one of the most special features is that it's still got its original AM radio. That was an optional extra back in 73, and that was as much as my mom could afford on top of the cost of the car. And it still works, and I just love driving along in this car and listening to the sound. Volkswagens are very unique and special sounding cars, and just to have that old AM radio working, and it brings back a lot of good memories.
Right,
So, yeah.
right. So what would you rate this car?
Well, they always say you're most biased about your own children, but look, this is I'd say it's about an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good restoration. It took 5 years to achieve, and
Wow.
it's certainly not Concours condition, but I drive it. It's registered. It goes on the roads, and but yeah, I'd say probably a good 8.
Yeah, do you think others would agree?
I think so. Yeah. It's it always draws a lot of attention. Obviously, its colour is super eye-catching, and that's its original colour. It's how it was sold in 73, and everyone just has a really nice story with Volkswagen.
Right.
It's a very iconic brand, and
Yeah. So what would you rate this car?
So the Corvette Stingray, a beautiful car, beautiful American classic. I'd say that one probably a good 9.
Yeah.
Good 9 out of 10. I'd have to have a closer look.
Right. Awesome.
Beautiful car.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
I'm here with Michael, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his car.
Yeah, how you doing? I'm Michael. I drive a 1968 C10. It's LS swapped, and I love it.
Okay, and what's your favorite feature of your car?
My favorite feature is the bed. I got a bed liner with the wood. I think that's what I like about the car the most.
Okay, and what would you rate your car on a scale 1 to 10?
I'll give it a solid 9.
A 9? And you
Yeah.
think other people would agree with that?
I do, yeah.
And what would you rate this car?
That's valid. Yeah, I'll give it a 9 as well.
9? Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'm here with my favorite guest for today. So, what was your favorite part of today? Exactly. Celebrity Cars and Coffee's wrapping up for today. We had an awesome time out here. We met some really cool people, saw some really awesome cars. What was your favorite from today?
I would honestly have to say the Volkswagen was one of my favorite cars. What about yours?
I think the Viper. That was really cool. I feel like you don't see them that often anymore.
Yeah. But let us know what your favorite car was down in the comments.
And if you want to see more videos like this,
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified every time we post a new video.
thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.